Have you ever wanted to better understand what emotional intelligence really is, how it might be affecting your job, your relationships, and your ability to lead? Well, here's the truth. You and I can't grow in an area that we don't measure. And when it comes to emotional intelligence, guessing is not going to get us very far. That's where the EQI 2.0 comes in. It's the only fully validated emotional intelligence assessment, and it's used both by the Canadian government and the European Union as their official standard. With this assessment, you get a crystal clear picture of how you're showing up in the 15 core areas of emotional intelligence, from self awareness and empathy to decision making, stress tolerance, impulse control, and more. And here's what you get with the assessment: a 20-page EQI leadership report packed with personalized insights, a 60-minute one on one coaching debrief session with me to walk through your results so that you understand what is the assessment saying, what's it saying about you, and how to interpret the results. Clear action steps to start growing and developing your emotional intelligence right away. You also walk away with clarity, real actionable insights, and a game plan, not just theory. This is a standalone assessment, so even if you're not ready for coaching, this is a powerful first step towards growth. But of course, if you want to help applying what you learn in coaching going forward, I'd love to partner with you in that. The full package is $375, but here's the best part. Since it's my birthday month in August, I'm offering 25% off any assessment or coaching package you purchase in August. Just use the code August 2025 at checkout. You don't need to schedule your session now. You do have to buy the assessment or the coaching package in August. You have 6 months to book your debrief or your coaching after that. So if you've been thinking about investing in your growth and your leadership and your self awareness, this is the time to do that. Don't miss this opportunity to develop your emotional intelligence in a tangible and measurable way at a huge discount. Links are in the show notes. I look forward to working with you.